We are pleased to show you the 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.